Hello all and welcome to the Excel Fundamentals online course. On this video, I just want to welcome you first and foremost, and then also mention the learning outcomes of the course. So over the modules of this course, you will learn how to use Excel from the beginning. It is a foundation course which will help you to get the best practice when using Excel. So upon completion of the course, you will be able to navigate through the Excel interface, write simple formulas and perform statistical functions in Excel. You will be able to use very handy shortcuts. You will also learn how to format and modify worksheets. And finally, you will learn how to save, share, print, and protect your workbook. So the course has been designed in a way that you will learn at a structured and consistent pace, and you will be able to work on the course at your own time. And if you have any questions, we will be there supporting you all the way through. And all of our Excel courses will prepare you to be a proficient person using the software. By mastering the use of Excel, you will get a competitive advantage in many jobs. So I hope you enjoy the course, and I am looking forward to being part of your learning journey. Thank you.